best car rear spoilers enhance sporty appearance, improve aerodynamics, boost vehicle style, and give your ride an aggressive performance-inspired look. My today's video is about top 5 best car rear spoilers for sporty look that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bansico Car Trunk Spoiler Roof Flip Kit. This universal trunk spoiler is a simple and affordable way to upgrade your car's exterior with a sporty, aggressive appearance. Measuring 59 inches long and 1.38 inches wide, it provides enough coverage for various vehicle models while maintaining a sleek profile. Made from soft and durable PU material, the spoiler features a smooth, glossy surface that looks premium and withstands daily use. Its flexible, bendable design allows it to follow different trunk curves, ensuring a precise and attractive fit. Installation is straightforward with the included double-sided adhesive tape. Just clean the surface, measure, cut if needed, and securely press it into place. Slight heating can improve adhesion for a stronger bond. Beyond style, it helps create a more streamlined look and adds a performance-inspired touch. It's a great choice for drivers wanting an easy exterior modification without expensive upgrades. Now our second product is Joycourt Car Rear Spoiler Roof Flip Kit. This flexible rubber car spoiler is a practical upgrade for drivers who want to enhance both style and protection. Measuring 57.75 inches long and 1.45 inches wide, it can be trimmed and adjusted to fit a wide range of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Made from high-quality rubber, it offers a smooth glossy finish while maintaining the flexibility and durability needed for long-term use. The bendable design allows it to follow different curves on trunks, roofs, hoods, and body panels for a clean factory-like appearance. Beyond improving your vehicle's sporty look, it helps protect bumpers, lips, side skirts, and tailgate areas from minor scratches and impacts. The non-drilling adhesive installation makes it easy to apply without permanent modifications. Simply clean the surface, cut the spoiler to size, and secure it with the strong double-sided tape. It's an affordable way to add a streamlined appearance and a performance-inspired touch to your vehicle. Our third product is OWEC Rear Spoiler Wing. This rear spoiler is a stylish and functional upgrade designed specifically for the Honda Civic 4-door sedan models from 2022 to 2026. Made from durable ABS material, it offers excellent resistance against wear, impacts, and daily weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. The sleek design with a glossy black finish adds a sporty, premium appearance while maintaining the original style of the vehicle. Beyond aesthetics, the spoiler helps improve aerodynamics by reducing wind resistance and lift at higher speeds, providing better stability and driving confidence. Installation is simple and requires no drilling. Just clean the trunk surface, apply the included double-sided tape, position the spoiler, and press firmly into place. For the strongest bond, installation above 10 degrees Celsius and avoiding water exposure for 48 hours is recommended. This spoiler is an excellent choice for Civic sedan owners looking to enhance their car's aggressive look while adding aerodynamic benefits. Now number 4, Waiyoyo 2 PCS Car Rear Bumper Diffuser Spoilers. This rear bumper diffuser spoiler kit is a practical upgrade for drivers who want to enhance their vehicle's sporty appearance while adding extra protection. Constructed from durable PP material, it offers excellent strength, toughness, and resistance against impacts, scratches, rain, mud, and chemical exposure. Its sturdy build helps protect the rear bumper from minor collisions and parking-related damage while maintaining reliable performance over time. The streamlined design improves the vehicle's aggressive look and may help reduce airflow resistance at higher speeds, contributing to smoother and more stable driving. The elegant black finish blends well with various vehicle styles, giving a customized performance-inspired appearance without looking excessive. Designed to fit most cars, SUVs, trucks, and vans, it is important to measure your bumper before installation. The package includes 2 diffuser spoilers and 6 mounting screws for secure attachment. Overall, it is a cost-effective choice for adding style, durability, and functional protection to your vehicle. And our last choice is Narpi's Universal Rear Window Spoiler Roof Wing. This hatchback rear spoiler is an excellent exterior upgrade for drivers who want to give their vehicle a more aggressive and sporty appearance. Designed to fit most hatchbacks and SUVs, it is compatible with many popular brands, but checking your exact vehicle year and model before purchase is recommended. Made from premium ABS plastic, the spoiler offers high strength, impact resistance, wear resistance, and reliable durability for long-term use. The smooth gloss black finish provides a stylish factory-inspired look while helping it withstand different weather and road conditions. Installation is convenient with both double-sided adhesive and self-tapping screws, and the included manual guides users through the process. Once installed, it adds a customized performance style that can transform the overall appearance of your vehicle. With quality construction, practical mounting options, and dedicated customer support, this spoiler is a great choice for car enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's exterior design. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.